Okay, so let's look at this next question. This one having a power is having an index that is mixed fractions. So the first thing you want to do is to convert mixed fraction to what? To an improper fraction. So we are going to say 1 times 2, then that's 2, 2 plus 1, that's 3. So that's going to be giving you 1 over 4, everything raised to power minus 3 over 2. So we have converted that. Now, another thing you should know is that, the other way around, the way we are used to is that anytime we have a negative index like this, you are going to say 1 over 4, uh, you are going to say 1 over 4, then everything raised to power 3 over 2, right? That's the usual way of doing it that I taught you in class, so that this minus has not been used to make it a fraction. So we now have 1 all over everything, the base raised to power 3 over 2. Now there's no negative sign there again. You can say that there's no negative sign here again. So, but instead of doing that, doing your work like this, you're still going to get the answer, but it might be too stressful and then it will waste your time. So instead of doing that, another way that I'm going to teach you to do it is that we're going to say let's use these negative signs to interchange the base. Anytime you have that the base is a fraction and then we have a negative sign here, so the negative sign can do the work of changing or interchanging or swapping this base. So that what we now have is not going to be 1, is not going to be 4 over 1, everything raised to power 3 over 2. Therefore, there will not be negative again. So if there's not going to be negative, then it's going to be 4 over 1. If there's going to be negative, it's still going to remain 1 over 4. So, but if you remove the negative, then you must interchange the base. That's what that is saying. And if that is the case, you know that 4 over 1 is going to be 4. So you can just write the question as 4, everything raised power 3 over 2. Since that is the case, since we have that is the case, then you can just say that you remember that the root of 4, you're going to find root of 4, and then whatever you get there, that's going to be raised power 3. So over 2 means what is the square root of 4. The denominator means what is the square root of 4. So I'm going to do that. Let's find the square root of 4. So square root of 4 is 2. And then we still have the power there. So that's what? 3. Therefore, we have that the answer is going to be 2 raised to power 3, and 2 raised to power 3 give you 8.